Let's talk! Let's talk! Let's talk!
Let's talk.
Let's talk!
Let's talk. Yes! Yes! Babae yan! Ayan si Prince! Muna mo yung kamay, Pau! Paupoy mo doon.
Ganun pa?
Oo.
Ayaw ko mag-dress na!
Lord, thank you for all the blessings that we had today, for the gatherings that we get together, Lord. Magpapasalamat kami, Panginoon, sa lahat-lahat po na pinagkaloob mo sa aming mga biyaya, Panginoon. Binabalik namin po sa inyo, Panginoon, ang aming mga blessings na natatanggap na galing sa iyo, Panginoon. At pinapasalamatan ko rin po ang may-ari ng bahay, sina Katrina, at aking po mga kasamahan sa trabaho at sa buong community ng mga Pilipino, Panginoon. Maraming salamat, Panginoon. I-bless niyo po sila, Panginoon, na walang sawang pagmamahal at biyaya na ibibigay niyo po sa kanila, Panginoon. At binibless ko po ang magiging bagong kasal, sina Rachel at si Prince, Panginoon, at gabayan niyo po sila, Panginoon, sa pamilya na mabubuo nila, Panginoon. Huwag niyo silang pababayaan, Panginoon. At nagpapasalamat po ako, Panginoon, sa lahat ng mga bumuo sa maliit na kaganapan ngayon, Panginoon, at sa maliit na salo-salo na meron kami, Panginoon, sa mga pagkain na kanilang hinahanda, Panginoon, with love and effort, Panginoon. All of this, Panginoon, ay galing sa iyo at kami ay nagpapasalamat, Panginoon. At sana, Panginoon, huwag kang magsawang gabayan ang lahat sa bawat araw-araw na ginagawa at araw-araw na paghahanap buhay namin, Panginoon. Ito ay alang-alang sa iyo, Panginoon. Kami ay nag-ipon-ipon at nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga biyaya, Panginoon. Thank you and to God be the glory. Amen.
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 Nakapili na ba ng model natin?
Si Janice daw ang model.
Model si Janice. For this group, who is your model? Okay. So our bride-to-be will set a timer. That would be like 5 minutes or in 5 minutes, kailangan makagawa na kayo ng gown. Alright? 5 minutes. So, all model in front, please. All model. And 3 for the side. All model to be in front, please. All model. All model, please. Okay? Ready na ba? Ha? Secret? Okay. Model, ready? Wag muna. Okay, pwede kayong mag-collaborate kung anong gown ang gusto nyo until mag-groupings muna kayo which type of gowns you will be making. Okay, ready? Our time starts now! You have to make your gown. Okay, so this group, can you explain your
Rosa Clara, made in the Philippines.
Oh!
This is supposed to be a hot shoulder. Yeah, and then with a little tie.
Oh, well, yeah, I can see the tie.
And because this is a modern bride,
Yeah.
she prepared a little
Wait. Okay. So, and this side is a modern gown
modern gown.
from
Rosa Clara.
Rosa Clara Designer. Oh, so in this group, who will be explaining? Explain.
Here we have a wonderful classic bride with Louis Vuitton that features the bodacious curvatures of a lady. As you can see, we have a V-neck style.
A V-neck.
To show the bodacious. But because she's a bride,
Yes.
they covered it that it can detach.
Yes.
And we have a classic flowy gown to show the curves. But if she moves too much, it's a self-destruct with little to see for the groom to see. Another head covering. Just think of it as a colorful veil. A colorful veil with a gold embellishment and a rose pendant. golden hair of the bride. So as she walked down the aisle in white. That's
Bride-to-be, do we have a verdict? Which one is the winner for who is the best gown?
I think.
Group one. Group one.
Uy, close yan.
How many ba is the girls? 1, 2, 1. Ah, yes. Pwede para hindi tayo, para hindi crowded. So, on your back, ladies. On your back. And dance. Dance. Kaya pa, nasan si Beth? Ang pambato ng lapu-lapu. Mistake.
Ay, di ka nagpapasiyan.
Ah, nasiyan. Circle na nakakalito.
Hawak-hawak kayo circle. Oh, circle.
Closer together. Compress. And then start now. the box or into the basket, and then the bride-to-be, we're going to read it and huhulaan niya kung sino yung nagsulat. Kung mag-a-align yung memories na yun. Okay. So, we are just going to make the paper and the pen. Okay. After this game, each one of you will give a message to our bride-to-be and to the groom-to-be. A wishes or any message.
No cheating!
I've had my instructions to video as you write.
One-fourth.
Then,
One-fourth. Baker.
Lock in!
lock
Deal or no deal?
Still frantically scribbling. There's an essay going on over here.
Something juicy.
Jessie's writing a book.
I'm done.
Jenny's done. Tommy's done.
very serious.
Very serious. Very serious.
Writing, Mommy, you're writing a message there.
Memories.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe she can.
Yeah.
The box.
The book. Okay, I've got all the entries. I'm just going to shuffle. Tapos huhulaan mo kung kanino yun. Right? The box is yours.
Okay. First.
The who?
The who?
Attended your bridal showers even knowing that the party is all you're getting married. So this is one of the memories I will never forget as I become a bridal shower crasher. Ha ha ha.
Parang hindi ko kilala.
Hindi ko kilala.
I'm not sure.
It's you.
I'm your date crusher.
Magiging ka kasi kaagad.
Those were the days, my friend. Tom.
I will just demo.
Eto na nga. Perfect lang.
Read it, please.
loob ng room 45. Ronald.
No.
Jenny. No.
Tapos na si Jenny.
Alam ko siya, ate.
Ako yan.
Oo,
Naalala mo na.
Sabaw, bro.
Bukas na sa YouTube yung mga yan.
Yung nalasing ka. Tapos nag-wrestling kayo ng anak mo.
Ako ulit.
Yung mag-ina naglasing.
Wrestling sila.
Oo, Ate Jet.
She attended and celebrated with us on our wedding.
The memories, yes. Wala pa nga, tumawa. Mahula ka na.
Yes.
To the future bride, Rachel, wish you a lifelong happiness and wonder.
Ate.
Not guilty.
Not you.
Ito hindi guilty kasi dinag sila. Bobby Fair? Yeah.
Wala tumawa eh.
Gaga. I asked Gaga to check which room is bossy, and she said 26. It's 26.
Lumabas tuloy ako kasi new unit, 2 at 6. Yung pala 26 free kill. Kaya nakisuyo pakitingnan para di na ako lalabas, naka-gloves na lang ako. Eh sabi niya 26, kaya lumabas tuloy ako. Yung pala 26.
Limit, first time na pinatawag na tayo sa Ian.
Kay Jenny. I have it already. Ikaw.
Ha?
Ikaw na. Gaga.
Maangat pa siya sa
Tayo.
Ha?
Tayo.
Yes. Yung pinatawag ng Ian.
Oo. Kasi papunta tayo ng UK. Gutom na.
Early
Gutom na
na
ako.
tayo. Lagi early.
Oo. Yun yung time na pinatawag na tayo lahat, na nakapasa na tayo.
And as each one of you will give a message to our future bride-to-be, wishes or any. I will start with you.
Rachel, my wish for you is a very lengthy marriage full of love and, you know. I think because you're both together naman kayo,
Yeah.
so you already know how to understand each other and such. So I don't think you need advice with you know, as well.
Expert.
I'm sure you'll be the prettiest bride. Just enjoy your day, and I wish you all the I wish you all the best. Congratulations, Mrs. Ano kayo, ano yung PR?
Agalos.
Mrs. Aganos.
Thank you, ate.
Ang message ko na lang is siguro kung paano kayo magmahalan ngayon ni Prince, mas i-continue nyo pa siya kasi feeling ko, sa nakikita ko is parang working siya kasi parang ang saya ng family nyo, parang nakikita naman kay PR kung gano'ng kasaya.
Oh my God.
Kung gano'ng kasaya.
Uy, isang box.
Yeah?
Binaya ko na ba? Hindi pa, wala pa. Kasi on my side, I can't advise really talaga. Kasi hindi pa naman din ako talagang masasabi na nasa, I'm on the, kumbaga beginner. Pero since yung relationship nyo is matagal na, and then you have PR, so ito is based lang dun sa nakikita ko. Yun nga, like what I've said, parang ang ganda ng banding ng family nyo, you give time every time na meron kayong, kumbaga yung paglabas-labas nyo. Tsaka yun na kay PR, nakikita namin kung paano siyang bata ngayon, di ba? Hindi mo, yung outcome niya yun is galing sa inyong mag-asawa. So, ang sa akin na lang is continue to love each other. Kung paano kayo ngayon, and then siguro i-improve nyo pa lang yun in a positive way para mas mag-bloom yung married life nyo. Kasi once naging ano na kayo, kasi parang ngayon wala pa kayo yung parang hindi pa yung complacent ba? Kasi wala pa yung kasabi, ay hindi pa naman kami kasal, parang ganyan-ganyan. Pero once na kinasal na kayo, nandun na kasi yun yung parang talagang till death do us part. So, no matter what happens, paninindigan nyo na yung ano kasi kasal na kayo.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Ayun, best wishes.
Thank you, Ate.
Ayun,
Thank
more
you so
babies.
She will.
Ah? So, pamadrona ka. Pamadrona ka. Virgie! Pasok!
Wala nang masyado sabihin kay siya eh. Lagi na kami nagtitsikahan eh. But anyway, congratulations, boy. At saka, ayan, stay stronger. Siyempre, ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo, for sure. Sabay nyung harapin dalawa. At saka, basta nandito lang kami ng ilong mo. Thank you, Arthur.
Stay lively sa work, and then sa family, more babies to come. That's it.
The thing I could tell you right now is to enjoy your wedding. It's once in a lifetime experience. Enjoy everything. On that day, wag kang mag-iisip ng kahit ano-ano. Basta isipin mo lang, this is my moment, this is my day. Alam mo yun, enjoy mo lang yan. And then, yeah, as what they have all said, continue kung ano yung love inyong dalawa ni Prince, as we all witness how much you guys love with each other with Prince. Yeah, so that's all. Basta enjoy mo lang yung pinaka-wet.
Congratulations, Rachel, for your coming wedding day. Stay happy and be beautiful. Let God be the center in your life. And there are ups and downs of a married life. And if something happens, just pray more. And importante yung consent with each other. Kung anong gagawin mo, paalam ka talaga. Kasi kung hindi ka magpaalam, mag-uumpisa yung gulo na yan. Charge to experience kung hindi ka magpaalam, kasi may gusto tayo, diba? May mga gusto tayong gagawin. So, wala mang sikreto hindi malalaman. In the long run, malalaman ba rin? So, better magpaalam ka talaga. So, si PR, si Juan din, si Prince, dapat magpaalam din sa'yo. Yung parang sa pagka-carer natin, we should ask consent.
Yeah.
Consent. But let God be the center in your life. Importante yun. Talaga. Prayer. Psalm 91, Psalm 23, Psalm 103, Psalm 107. Then pray the rosary. Always.
I think I will say the same as Ate. So that's it.
Carry on na lang pala.
Copy paste.
I'm pretty sure your partnership has been tested already because you've been together for a while. So the only thing I can share with my marriage is always compromise, and breaking up is never an option. So never put that an option at all, and always put that in the middle of the marriage. So
thank you.
So married life is very beautiful, as in very full of adventure.
Yes.
So you'll fall in love with your husband again. I'm pretty sure about that after the marriage, no?
For me, I cannot give advice, score na,
Wait.
no. So, first of all, congratulations, Rachel. This is it, no? And I know that you've been together already, and at least this time, your love together is gonna be sealed with the love of God. And of course, as what Mommy Fe said, always put God first, no? And put in the center of your relationship. And one thing I can advise also is, dapat one of you will be mapagkumbaba. And kung isa sa inyo is talagang mataas, dapat isa sa inyo talagang mapagkumbaba. No? Yeah? Para magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaintindihan together. And enjoy, and enjoy mo lang yung wedding mo. No, it's, sabi nga ni Jo, is once in a lifetime. Tapos lahat naman ang sinabi ng mga kasama mo dito, mga kaibigan mo dito is lahat yun i-absorb mo lang lahat yon. Yung mga sinabi na, and I know yung marriage life mo is magpo-prosper. No? In the blessing of God, the Lord. No? And Virgin, I will hand it to you, the microphone.
Ay, hello, Inay. Congratulations and best wishes, you know. I'm so happy for you. And soon, you know, magiging, ito na ang sabi ko, pag kinasal ka na, till death do us part, in riches or poor, in good health or wealth, walang iwanan, di ba? Forever pa rin kayo. And I'm so happy for family, happy family, you know. Sweet, like a brother, sister lang kayo, brother lang, magkuya lang kayo ni friends, ganun lang pa kayo ba, yung banding nyo. So, just continue, just keep it up. So, I pray to God more blessings pa darating sa family mo. And have a baby girl. Yan ang that's it.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Soldier. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Na-surprise talaga ako.
Message.
Right. Wala, iyak na siya. Iyak na naman ako. But thank you so much. Buti hindi ako kasi may mga ate at saka kuya ako dito. Kasi ako yung bunso dito. Yun. Wala ko. Kasi it's like, parang family tayo dito.